Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Brenda. Okay guys, so today we are gonna go ahead and start a new series. It's going to be called Brenda Builds. So what this is, I'm gonna take you on my journey on me redoing my room. Let me explain. I'm gonna be redoing the carpet, our ceiling, and we're gonna be buying furniture, removing furniture, making it more luxurious, Pinteresty. Sorry, that was Daisy. Daisy.
Shut up. Let's see that nipple.
So we're gonna make it more Pinteresty. We're gonna be removing carpet. I'm not too sure just yet what we're gonna do. If we're either gonna add carpet or add vinyl, like wood, like mock wood, basically. In this process, while we're removing all that, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm removing it and how I'm adding to it. Like I said, for right now, it's just going to be mostly us removing and getting rid of things. It's gonna look a mess. I already know I'm gonna have a couple panic attacks here and there because it's a lot of work, but I know at the end it will all be worth it. So let's show you my plan. So as you can see right here, this is our door. Now right here is right here, and that is where we're gonna put our new bed and our new bed frame. I'm gonna have another beauty room. Well, it's gonna be another beauty desk, vanity desk. We made a little modification, so we need to update this. I don't know if I mentioned it, we're also painting the room. So what we're gonna do is, if you guys can see up here, this is called popcorn ceiling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of that because it just collects so much dust. It's not the easiest to clean, and I'm just sick and tired of looking at it. For sure, our main goal is to get rid of this popcorn ceiling, and while doing that, we're gonna explain to you how to properly do it and how to do it. This is a popcorn ceiling scraper. And then we're just gonna go ahead and scrape it. We're gonna wet the ceiling first to make it much faster, but as of what our main focus, this is like obviously our main focus, but it's first to move everything out, all my makeup, everything, so nothing of the ceiling crumbles onto it. So let's get right into it.
Gonna take off the popcorn ceiling because they're extra.
Tonight?
That's how she is.
11 o'clock.
She's
Come on for
gonna
the
assist us with decorating our home.
Oh yeah? You want in on that?
What's my limit? What are you limiting me to?
The first have my credit card.
What?
Your limit?
Yeah. What's my limit?
So
On
like
what?
your
So what we
money?
Because she's gonna build it.
Yeah.
She's gonna.
Oh, you
Oh yeah, interior.
Right now?
Yeah. You didn't know we were filming the whole time?
Your
Yeah.
limit
I'm
on
standing here like,
your limit on like
How much you can spend for the decorating?
it's just like little minimal things at a time.
it's ongoing.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna say we're dropping 1,000 right now when that's no, that's not what I'm saying at all.
You got 1,000 to drop.
You know I'm good with money. I know how to.
She's thrifty.
We'll budget you in.
She's
You
Pinteresty.
can budget in. You can make the stuff. I'll start you off with like a cool 500. Let you work from there.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah, we'll break it into
She kept it
tiers,
cool.
into furniture.
I guess. I mean, you have a little pinching little dimes here, but that's fine. Yeah, we'll see what we got after that. Might have to sell ourselves on the streets. Like we were
My
talking.
body.
Yeah.
Strumpets.
We are strumpets.
Yeah.
We're strumpets. Strumpets.
What are you doing?
Making this stuff?
No, we're gonna leave this and we're gonna tarp it so no dust gets on it. But in terms of like the floor, we need the floor cleared. So we're gonna.
Are you doing this all today?
Yeah, we're doing all. Our main concern right now is that removing this and the popcorn. I don't know why, but I work better at night than in the morning. In the morning, I'm like,
This shit is surprisingly heavy, and this thing is attached to the tabletop. But right now what I'm gonna do is there's only one freaking screw holding this thing to this tabletop. I'm gonna unscrew it, detach it, and make our lives much easier. And then we're gonna take this thing out, get to scrape it. This is the SOB right here. I guess it's two of them. So it's that one, and then that one over there. Only two things holding it. Now we'll try taking it off. That shit was up.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start the fun part, which is taking the popcorn off the ceiling. So here are my tools. I have, what do you call this?
A mask?
Well, I guess it's
like
mask.
a breathing mask?
A breathing mask. So you just cover it over to protect yourself from inhaling any of the dust. So it's just gonna protect you from inhaling all of that. We have these to hold the bag, and so from here all the material is gonna hopefully get into the bag. And then in a small area like this, we're just gonna go ahead and wet it. We're gonna let it get soaked, and then we're gonna start scraping it after 3 minutes. So let's give it some time. Let's get shit done, guys.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, see? So you see the difference in texture? This is what we want. And that's why wetting it, the popcorn, it makes it much easier and the process much faster. And as you can see with the little bag, it collected some right here.
Oh, that was good. I'm gonna be helping her with like the stuff, but I'm gonna letting her get started on her own first, and then right now I'm gonna do a time lapse of us doing it.
Initiate the time lapse.
Hours later.
This is an update from 2 in the morning. We barely fucking finished. Just the two of us. Look at this shit. It's so bad.
But it's gonna be worth it.
Since we just finished, we're probably gonna go get something to eat and drink. Probably from Mickey D's. Mickey D's nuts. I gotta chill out because we finished. We did a lot. We scraped every single popcorn off that ceiling. Let me see that happy face. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, we're probably gonna go get some grub, some Mickey D's. Gonna tear out the carpet. My cousin Cesar is gonna come plaster it. I think we're gonna get white paint tomorrow to paint it. Tomorrow is just pulling the carpet, finishing up the ceiling. We completed the hardest part. We finished the hardest part, that ceiling, scraping off all the popcorn ceiling off the ceiling.
That ceiling can suck it.
He can suck it.
And yeah guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and go add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching guys. Bye.
You were looking at crazy 2 a.m. Brenda. Crazy just scraped off the popcorn off the ceiling,
Crazy
Brenda.
just scraped off the popcorn.
We can't even talk. We can't function right now.
Popcorn has not ate, has not slept, has not taken a break. Brenda. This is Brenda all in itself. These crazy little hairs, all Brenda.
But yeah, guys, thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to keep it locked onto this channel. Make sure to subscribe, share, leave a like and a comment. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.